Hi everyone, and welcome to MathSux. This video is going to help you pass the Algebra 2 Common Core Regents. So we're doing this one question at a time. Here is question 29. Given the geometric series 300 plus 360 plus 432 plus 518.4 and plus, and then this keeps going on, write a geometric series formula S sub n for the sum of the first n terms. Then use the formula to find the sum of the first 10 terms to the nearest 10th. So just a little reminder about what a geometric series is. It's when we have a geometric sequence. So we have a geometric sequence right here, which means we're going to be multiplying the same number to each term. So if we want to look at that pattern, if we wanted to figure that out, we would just take the numbers 360 and then divide it by 300, the previous term. So one term divided by the previous term, and we get 1.2. So we know that we're in this example, we're multiplying 1.2 times each term. So if we 360 divided by 300 is 1.2, and then you could check 432 divided by the previous term 360 is also 1.2. So we're multiplying by 1.2 times each term. So a geometric series is when you have a geometric sequence, but now you want to add all of those numbers together. And in this case, we want to add the first 10 terms. So to do that, there's a formula to know. So let's just write that out first. We have S sub n is equal to A times 1 minus r to the n all over 1 minus r. So here's just a little background what each of these terms mean. So this is our first term. So the first term in the sequence is 300. R is the common ratio. Just a little reminder about the common ratio is it is the number that you are multiplying to each term. So in this case, that's 1.2. So let's just write it here. And the last number we're going to need to know is n, which just equals the term number we're trying to find. So in that case, we want to know the sum of the first 10 terms. So that means n is equal to 10. So we have a here. Common ratio is equal to r. So we know everything. We have a, r, and n. So we have values for each. We can plug these numbers into our formula. So we have 300 times 1 minus r is 1.2. And we raise it to the 10th power, the term number. And then this is all divided by 1 minus r, which is 1.2. So if we plug this into our calculators little by little, let's see what we get. So we plug this into our calculator and we get something like 7787.604. This keeps going. But just to double check, what did they want? They wanted the answer to the nearest 10th. So we can just round this to the nearest 10th. And we get 7787.6. And that's our answer. Need more practice? Check out MathSux.org for more questions. Link below. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Happy calculating!